We are going to show you the procedures of how we are able to produce our local nutritious mayonnaise. We're going to start by showing you the materials that we have used, starting from the eggs. This is the egg yolk. This is the other remaining of the egg. We're going to use the lemons. These are the lemons that I've used, and the sunflower, which is locally produced, and the table salt. Continuing with the procedures, our first procedure, we are going to use a medium-sized bowl container. By adding these egg yolks, we're going to add and the whisk these eggs. As you see, we are mixing. And we are going to add regulated table salt in order to make our mayonnaise more moisturized. As you can see, we don't have a blender, so we are going to have to whisk as fast as we can, going in the same direction. As you can see, we are going to have to add some of our lemon juice. Add it as we continue to mix, whisking that same direction as we used. As if you may be wondering, this lemon juice, it contains acetic acid and many other vitamins which help to stabilize a mixture which can be found highly nutritious and which is known as a healthy fat, and these are locally found. We are going to have to add some of our sunflower, which is organically based, and it adds light flavor oil to our mayonnaise. And I should remind you that this sunflower oil contains an omega-3 fatty acid, which is found nutritious, and it is also recommended for the fat reduction, so it's healthy. As you have been saying, we have been adding our lemon juice together with our oil. This helps to reduce cholesterol, which also helps to reduce the stress and unhealthy fat. So as you continue seeing, as you continue whisking, slowly by slowly our mixture turns into a creamy mayonnaise, which is very nutritious, and it's locally made with these local materials. As you have seen, we continued mixing. We would like to remind you that we have used 11 grams of table salt in order to increase those preservation, and it contains iodine, which is also nutritious. Also malnutrition, problems like goiter. We must remind you that we also used 4 egg yolks. And as for the mixing, because we were using our local materials, we did not use the blender, but if we had used the blender, it would have taken 10 to 15 minutes, but now it took us only 30 minutes. As you have seen, our mayonnaise start to synthesize, and it's organically made. Our mayonnaise contains 786 calories, depending to our egg yolks, depending to our amount of oil that we have added, and it also contains 45 grams of carbohydrates, 11 grams of table salt, and 1.1 grams of fatty oil, making it rich in vitamin K, A, and E. As of our benefits that we gain, this mayonnaise will be able to fight the problem that the Rwandan society is facing of malnutrition. As this mayonnaise is recommended to increase the nutrition basis, and it is recommended also to reduce unhealthy fat, and it's also better for use of health of the heart because it prevents strokes due to being rich in vitamin A, and it lowers cholesterol. This is actually one of our creativity, because unlike other mayonnaises, it is cholesterol free, meaning that it reduces stress and it helps in the removal of CO2. Attention. Besides the various benefits of mayonnaise, we advise that you consume our mayonnaise regularly because it has been proven to be nutritious. Apply it